All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. I'm going to run through this trade recap really quick for you guys. We're going to, I just took this one loss today. I think a lot of you guys took this trade. It was just a stopper. The idea was valid, but I actually have no idea why this failed. I thought this trade was great. Like, this trade is playing out 9 out of 10 times. It is what it is, though. So coming into the day, I was using these gaps as my conditions. I said if we respect, this 15-minute, 30-minute gaps, I'll look for higher. If we trade through them, I'll look for lower. So market opens up and we initially just start pumping to the upside. I don't really see anything there. From there, we get a retrace into this 15-minute gap. And not only do we get a retrace into a 15-minute gap, but we also tap CE, the 15-minute gap. So most of the times when we respect the midpoint of a higher time frame gap and we get confirmation, I'm longing that 10 out of 10 times, and that's working 90% of the time. And if we look here, ES is also respecting a 15-minute gap at the same time, as you can see right here. So breaking down to the lower time frame, at this point I'm looking for an entry. And now what else do we see? The 10-15 candle, we get kind of that PO3 again, if you guys see my video. The 10-15 candle opens up and puts it in a bottom wick. So I'm looking at this to be an open, low, high close. I'm looking for price to push to the upside. So at this point, I'm looking for an entry, and I see this 2-minute gap right here. Let me just put this replay tool on really quick. So I see this 2-minute gap right here. I'm like, okay, if we inverse this with a strong close, I'm willing to take this. I can go break even here, and I can literally just go for like a 1-to-1, and like that's literally it, right? That's all I was looking for, was a continuation back up to these highs. So I was like, okay, we're delivering off C of a 15-minute gap. The 15-minute candle just put in a low. It's displacing up. Like, it should continue to displace higher. We also inverse this 1-minute gap at the same time. And the body is a strong close. So I'm like, okay, I take this. I'm going to go break even up here and whatever. Sometimes I do put my stop below here, but I'm like, there's no reason it should want to retrace. We've already respected CE. And what happens? Next candle out of nowhere just wicks down. Maybe it was news or something. I have no idea. But then as you can see, after, price ends up delivering literally perfectly. And then we've kind of just been consolidating from there. So this is a trade. Like, if you take these trades, they're going to work, majority of the time. If you're sticking to setups like this, you're going to be profitable. Sometimes something like this happens. So I don't know. I haven't really looked if this was news or what. And again, if I did keep my stop below, would have been a different story. But it is what it is. Again, just to recap it, price respects this 15-minute gap, CE, while ES is also respecting a 15-minute gap. I'm expecting both to continue higher. We get the 15-minute candle opens up, puts in a bottom wick. I'm expecting an open, low, high close. 2-minute inversion with nice displacement to the upside, and then just stop rated, and then it goes to TP. So that's it for me, guys. Quick one today. Nothing else to go over really, but not a great day in the markets, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. And that's it for me. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.